Welcome to my channel. Today's video I will be showing y'all how to get this easy clip-in look coming from a big chop haircut, y'all. Definitely a 10 out of 10. Let's get right into this video.
I touch that 5 for you. I do that 3 times again.
So y'all, I just freshly washed my hair. It is still wet. I'm about to section out my leave out that I will be leaving out for these clip-ins. And then I'm gonna leave out some edges. Now, I will be using this in my hair. It is Extreme Pro Gel for Everyone 24-hour control. I do have the clip-ins that I just moisturized and washed, conditioned, and shampooed. And I'm about to add some into my hair. This basically trying to define my curls. I normally use Auntie Jackie's, y'all, for my curl pattern. So y'all, the curly gel is all in my hair. I'm about to section it and add the clip-ins in with y'all. Clip-ins do come in different wefts. I'm starting with a shorter weft in the back and then working my way up to the front and parting it. Y'all, my hair is still wet due to me adding curling conditioner. And hopefully my hair texture blends with this. One clip-in is in, as y'all can see. I feel like it's gonna blend. I don't know. We're gonna see though. I'm going in with a clip of 3. And I'm going across right where I put the first track. And I'm going over the first track, basically. And y'all, these clip-ins are real easy to put in. y'all, I'm about to add in 3 more clip-ins into my hair. My hair is still wet with plenty of gel in it. I'm about to add 3 more clip-ins and then work on my leave out. Really trying to trust the process. I see people do this, like blend their hair in with the clip-ins once they added it in. I'm about to see what that's looking like. Kind of see it blending already, but I'm gonna let that sit there while I work on the front.
I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart. Your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart.
I'm trying to let it blend in with my hair more. I'm about to do my edges while I'm waiting for it to blend in. This is how my hair turned out. As y'all can see, it is blending in more. It is a little damp. I'm about to do my makeup and then come back to y'all with the final look and see what it's giving. Also, I did shampoo and conditioner all of the clip-ins, y'all. This is the hair now. It's definitely longer than it was before. Before it was like up here, but due to me washing it, it did get longer and showing the actual length of the hair. So I would recommend twisting your hair, like, you know, twisting your hair with the clip-ins, if that makes sense, so that you can actually get the curl pattern. So yeah, this is the final look. I did go in and do my makeup. This is how my hair turned out. It is a little damp still, but it's more so on the dry side than damp. Everything about these clip-ins extensions will be in the description box. Literally everything for Curlsqueen, the exact link, literally everything, y'all. You can use my discount code to get money off your purchase if you're interested in shopping with them. The products that I did use in my hair was extra strength gel. I did watch a video for reference and she was using this, so I did use this throughout my whole entire head, and it's definitely a 10 out of 10 for me. Everything about this hair, as I mentioned, will be in the description box below. Also my TikTok and my Instagram as well. All right, 54K, when road to 100K, I know the vibes. And until next time, I will see y'all in my next video.
I touch that fire for you. I do that 3 more times again.